like to geek out on science of longevity like I do, today's video is we're gonna dive deep into the #1 concept you need to understand to really grasp the science of longevity, which is mitochondrial health. In 2013, a groundbreaking paper on the hallmarks of aging was published. Of the 9 causes of aging, 6 have something in common, which is mitochondria dysfunction. This means that malfunctioning mitochondria are not just connected to aging, but are also linked to most age-related diseases. And that's exactly why understanding mitochondria is crucial. This is the first video of a series of videos that I'm going to create on mitochondria health. In today's video, we're going to cover what mitochondria are, their anatomy, and what it does in your body. Later in the series, we'll dive deep into mitochondria health and the damaging that starts to build up aging in its nutshell, and is also the factor in most chronic diseases. Now, let's talk about what mitochondria are. These are tiny structures where once free living bacteria that entered into your symbiotic relationship with cells over 1 billion years ago. Today, they make up about 10% of your body's mass and are responsible for producing ATP, which is energy in the body. These cells are highest demanding in energy, like in your muscle, your heart, your liver, and kidneys are organs in your body, obviously, that have the most mitochondria. They contain your own DNA, which we inherit solely from our mother. Mitochondria are always in the process of fission and fusion. Fusion helps repair the body, slightly damaged mitochondria by combining them with fission, which allows the mitochondria to replicate. However, when mitochondria become too damaged, they can't keep up with the energy demands, which leads to dysfunction. Mitochondria DNA mutates much faster than nuclear DNA, up to 10 times faster, because it's closer to the site of ATP production, which generates damaging free radicals. This accelerates the mutation rate and contributes significantly to mitochondria dysfunction, which plays a major role in aging and disease. So what do mitochondria do aside from producing ATP? They play a role in autophagy, which is the process of basically like getting rid of dead cells. And we'll talk about how autophagy works as well. Regulates metabolism, generates heat, and even stores calcium, which is essential for muscle function and blood clotting. The main function of mitochondria, though, is to produce ATP. The energy currency of the body, ATP powers nearly all of processes in our body, from thinking to moving to heartbeats, and all ATP is either producing or recycling in the mitochondria through cellular respiration, which is basically breathing, a process where food and oxygen are converted into energy, along with carbon dioxide and water. In the next video, we're going to dive deeper into mitochondria dysfunction, against aging, what you can do to maintain your mitochondria health. If you're ready to understand longevity, be sure to watch the next video. See you later.